In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, in order to cancel your Rocket Money subscription, there's a few ways you can do this. So the first way is to visit the official website of Rocket Money and then make sure to log in. And then from there, go to the settings or account section. You can usually find this in the upper right hand corner under your profile icon. And then navigate to where it says subscription or billing section. And then select cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Alright, and on mobile devices, open up the Rocket Money app and then log in if necessary. And then tap on your profile icon in the upper left hand corner. Select premium or manage subscription. Tap cancel subscription and follow the instructions to confirm your cancellation. And now through an app store, so for iOS users, go to settings on your device, tap on your name, Apple ID, select subscriptions, find Rocket Money and tap on it, tap cancel subscription and then click confirm. And now for Android device users, what you want to do is open up your Play Store, click onto your user profile, top right hand corner, click on payments and subscriptions, click onto subscriptions, find Rocket Money and then click on Rocket Money and then click on cancel subscription. And yeah, on a final note, make sure to cancel your subscription a few days before the renewal date to avoid being overcharged or charged for the next period.